Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism is an ancient Persian faith centered on the duality of good and evil. Originating in Persia about 3,000 years ago with Zoroaster as its prophet, its followers worship Ahura Mazda, the supreme god, in fire temples where fire symbolizes purity. The struggle between good and evil defines their daily life, guiding every moral choice. Picture someone tending a sacred fire while praying for truth and justice. They live with the certainty that their actions tip the cosmic balance, giving profound weight to their decisions. Life is a constant battle against dark forces that threaten universal order. Sometimes it feels like they carry the weight of the universe in every choice, but they do so with devotion. Spiritism. Spiritism believes that the living can communicate with the spirits of the dead. Emerging in the 19th century in France with Allan Kardec as its founder, mediums channel messages during seances seeking guidance or comfort, often in intimate gatherings. The belief holds that spirits evolve and guide the living. Imagine a table surrounded by people awaiting a whisper from the beyond with candles lit. It's a quest for connection with those no longer physically present, offering solace in loss. Spiritists see death as a transition, not an end, easing the pain of grief. It's not movie magic, it's faith that death doesn't sever bonds, but transforms them. Judaism. Judaism blends elements of various religions into a unique and vibrant synthesis. Originating in Vietnam in the 20th century with Bastio Cao blending Buddhism, Christianity, Taoism, and more. Its temples pulse with symbols like the divine eye, representing divine watchfulness. Rituals include eclectic prayers and chants. Pictures someone praying alongside images of Buddha, Jesus, and Confucius in harmony. They seek spiritual unity, though it sometimes feels like a religious puzzle uniting different worlds. Caudaists believe all religions lead to the same divine truth. It's as if they aim to weave all the world's pieces into one faith, with boundless optimism. We've explored lesser-known beliefs, now we step up to religions with more followers. Tenrikyo. Tenrikyo is a Japanese faith that seeks joy through spiritual purification. Founded in the 19th century by Nakayama Miki, it promises a blissful and fulfilled life. Followers perform ritual dances and prayers to connect with the divine, celebrating existence. Community is central, with acts of mutual service. Imagine a group dancing in circles, giving thanks for existence itself with synchronized movements. They live with the idea that happiness is a gift cultivated through gratitude. Each day is an opportunity to purify the heart and live with contagious joy. It's as if every day is an invitation to smile at the universe with infinite hope. Jainism. Jainism promotes absolute nonviolence toward all living beings without exception. Originating in India over 2,500 years ago, it rejects harming even insects. Monks sweep the ground to avoid stepping on tiny creatures and wear masks to avoid inhaling microorganisms. The discipline is strict but liberating. Picture walking so carefully that each step is a prayer for life itself. They live with a discipline that seems impossible but fills them with deep inner peace. Nonviolence extends to thoughts and words, seeking total purity. They don't kill even a fly, literally, making them unique in their ethical commitment. Baha'i Faith. Baha'i Faith teaches the unity of God, religion, and all humanity. Emerging in Persia in the 19th century with Baha'u'llah as its prophet and messenger, its temples, open to all, symbolize universal harmony, with gardens inviting reflection. Equality is a fundamental pillar. Imagine a place where people of all beliefs pray together without differences. They believe world peace is possible, driving them to build bridges every day. The faith promotes education and social justice as paths to unity. It's like dreaming of a borderless world with faith and concrete action. We've covered harmonious beliefs, now we enter older and more widespread traditions. Shintoism. Shintoism venerates kami, spirits inhabiting nature and ancestors. Japan's traditional faith without a single founder or unique scriptures, it is deeply rooted. Shrines surrounded by trees are gateways to the sacred, purified with water and rituals. Nature is sacred in every detail. Picture someone purifying themselves with water before praying under a red arch in a forest. They live in connection with the natural world, feeling its living energy in every leaf and river. Kami are everywhere, subtly guiding those who honor them. It's as if every river and mountain has a soul to listen to and respect. Sikhism. Sikhism believes in one God and the equality of all human beings. Founded in the 15th century in India by Guru Nanak, it emphasizes honesty and service. Sikhs wear a turban and carry a ceremonial knife, symbols of faith and commitment. Temples or gurdwaras offer food to all. Imagine someone meditating in a golden temple seeking inner truth with calm. They live with a discipline that balances discipline and service to others with daily generosity. Community is their strength and courage, their hallmark in adversity. Wearing a turban is not just tradition, it's a commitment to unwavering values. Confucianism. Confucianism is a philosophy seeking social harmony through virtue. Originating in China over 2,000 years ago with Confucius, it prioritizes social order. It focuses on respect for family, education, and good governance with rituals reinforcing tradition. Ethics is its core. Picture a community honoring elders with simple, respectful ceremonies. They live to improve society, placing duty above personal desire. Education and mutual respect are keys to a balanced and just life. It's like building an ordered world step by step with patience and responsibility. Now we reach religions with millions of followers where global influence is undeniable. Taoism. Taoism teaches living in harmony with the Tao, the universal force flowing through everything. Emerging in China over 2,000 years ago with Lao Tzu as a key figure, its practices include meditation, tai chi, and rituals to align with nature. Simplicity is its essence. Picture someone meditating by a river, seeking to flow with life effortlessly. They live accepting change like leaves falling without resistance, embracing balance. Flexibility and calm guide them in an ever-changing world. Following the Tao is like dancing with the universe, without forcing anything, just being. Judaism. Judaism is the monotheistic faith of the Jews based on the Torah and its teachings. Originating over 3,000 years ago with a covenant between God and Abraham, rituals like Shabbat mark the rhythm of daily life with constant prayer and study. Tradition is its backbone. Picture a family lighting candles to welcome the weekly day of rest. They live with a sense of history and responsibility to their community, united by faith. Each celebration, like Passover, relives their legacy of struggle and liberation. It's like carrying thousands of years of promises in the heart with pride and devotion. Buddhism. Buddhism seeks enlightenment through meditation, compassion, and detachment. Founded by Siddhartha Gautama in India 2,500 years ago, it rejects suffering. Monks meditate in temples, following the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The mind is the battlefield. Picture someone sitting in silence, observing their thoughts without judgment, at peace. They live with the idea that inner peace transforms the outer world, step by step. Compassion for all beings is their compass in a chaotic world. The Buddhist path is not easy, but it promises clarity and true liberation. We've covered profound traditions, now the three largest religions in the world. Hinduism. Hinduism is a diverse faith encompassing multiple gods, texts, and spiritual practices. Originating in India over 4,000 years ago, it has no single founder. Temples vibrate with offerings, chants, and colors dedicated to deities like Vishnu, Shiva, and Devi. Diversity is its strength. Picture millions celebrating Diwali, lighting lamps for the victory of good. They live in a cycle of karma where every action shapes the future, connecting lives. Scriptures like the Vedas guide, but personal practice is key. It's like weaving an infinite tapestry of beliefs and rituals full of life and color. Islam. Islam is the monotheistic faith following the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad and the Quran. Emerging in Arabia in the 7th century with Allah as the only God, Muslims pray 5 times a day facing Mecca and fast during Ramadan. Submission to God is central. Picture a mosque filled with worshippers bowing in prayer at dawn, in unity. They live with devotion, seeking to please Allah in every act, from charity to prayer. The global community, or Ummah, unites them beyond borders. It's a faith that binds billions with a single steady heartbeat. Christianity. Christianity believes in Jesus as the Son of God and Savior of humanity. Originating 2,000 years ago in Judea, based on the Bible and Christ's teachings, churches resonate with hymns, prayers, and sermons about redemption and love. The cross is its universal symbol. Picture a community sharing bread at a Sunday Mass, in communion. They live with hope for salvation and love for others, guided by faith. Charity and forgiveness are pillars that give meaning to their daily lives. It's like carrying a cross that gives purpose to every sacrifice with eternal meaning. From Zoroastrianism to Christianity, we've explored 15 religions that shape the world. Each offers a unique way to understand life, the cosmos, and the divine, from sacred fires to global prayers. The question isn't which is better, but how each faith illuminates a path to meaning. Subscribe if you want to explore more maps like this.